everybody. Thanks for joining. I'm going to show you today how we can use a simple tool to achieve a very not so simple task. I don't know if you've ever been tasked with trying to download emails, or you've been given a task where you're to filter for a specific person, for a specific period, and a specific file type. However, today what we're going to do is to show you how our tool makes it very easy for you to download the attachments that you want and have them sent to your email address, or to your specified folder. All right, so it's an Outlook tool that we run. All right, and just to let you know here, right, what we do is we will go to Outlook first. All right, first let me close Outlook and open it again. Yes, I want to save it. Then let's open Outlook again. All right, so first you open Outlook. All right, you allow your add-ins. Sorry about my Outlook. It's probably in cache mode. All right, so what we want to do here. All right, so I'm just going to demonstrate. It has to be set up though. Once it's set up, then of course you can process your files. All right, so what it's going to do here, right? As you see, it says send filter, the sender filter, and this is optional. You can leave it blank, so you can get all, right? So filter by sender. We're going to leave it blank, so we want all. Start date, we don't want the range nor the end date, so we want all. File extension, if we wanted to, we just simply type in the type of file extension and it will search for that. And this is the path we're going to save it to, right? Alright, starting. And it says we can press the escape key when we want to finish. So let's take a look, see what we got here. Alright, so did it? Oh, it stopped. Okay. Alright, let's do that again. I think I know where we went wrong. Alright, so it gave us a log, and the log didn't really give us much. Alright, because I clicked on the wrong one. Alright, so let's do this again. So let's say we're here. Oops, cancel. Let's go again. Oops. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Pardon me. Let's go again. Here we go. Alright, so we want to go to here, and we want to take the inbox folder. Alright? Okay, let's progress through like we did last time. So we're going to save to a specified, specified folder. You can always change the name here. Right? Right, and let's see what we got now. Alright, and as you see, it's pulling stuff down already. Alright? Pulling stuff down already. Pulling stuff down already. Wonderful. So we can always, this can continue until it gives you the message and tells you that it's finished. Or if you are, for demonstration purposes, we're just going to end it here. But it will go continually until the complement of the inbox is finished and it pulls all of your files. Right? So thanks again. Just wanted to show you this, and if you need any demonstrations, you can always contact me. The email is in the description, contact info is in the description, and I can always expose you to the cost to operate this as a service for you, or even to sell this tool over to you. Alright, so let me know. You can always correspond with me with the details. Alright, so thanks again, and please Please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content and such, and you'll get to learn a lot more from me. Thanks. Have a good day.